In the Grand Council Hall, Queen Seraphina's commanding presence sets the stage for a day of pivotal discussions. Beside her, King Tristan, newly crowned and brimming with youthful zeal, leans forward, his eagerness a stark contrast to the hall's seasoned apprehension. As Tristan's bold proposals meet Seraphina's cautious wisdom, a palpable tension fills the hall, foreshadowing a clash of wills. The air grows thick with unspoken conflict, as Tristan's ambition collides with Seraphina's experience, threatening to shatter the council's harmony. In the dimly lit Queen's private chambers, shadows dance on the tapestries as Seraphina and Tristan engage in a tense discussion. Seraphina warns, her voice laced with caution. "Sometimes, young king, haste makes waste." Tristan challenges, his youthful impatience evident. "But how can I be bold if I do not act swiftly?" The palpable tension between them fills the room. Weeks later, in the radiant castle gardens, Seraphina and Tristan walk side by side, a testament to their seamless collaboration. Their voices intertwine, weaving a tapestry of future policies, blending Tristan's fiery energy with Seraphina's profound experience. In a breathtaking display of unity, their collaboration shines as a beacon of hope, ensuring the kingdom's continued prosperity. The scene closes with their smiles, a promise of unwavering resolve, as they stand ready to face the future together, their hearts intertwined.